Hey, remember in the day trading video I promised I'd come back with more technical tips. The next 5 minutes will be full of insights on the top technical indicators and practical tips for day trading. Alex.
Gaspar.
What's up?
How you doing, bro?
Look, I'm a bit busy, I'm shooting a video right now. What's
the
happening?
trade I'll be closing will make big bucks. You have to come in 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Alright, I'll try. I'll be there.
3 minutes, bro!
The next 3 minutes will be full of insights on the technical tips for day trading. Let's go! If you don't know what the market sentiment is, it will beat you. If you can see price reversals before they happen, you can win. RSI is an indicator that helps detect reversals. If it's in the overbought area above the 70 level and the market is slowing down, that may be a sign of an incoming reversal. Otherwise, if it's in the oversold area below 30, that may be a good moment to buy. Okay, onto some other useful technical indicators. Moving averages, Bollinger Bands and MACD. How do we use them? Before I tell you, make sure you like and subscribe. So what's the use of moving averages? Like other trend indicators, they help see the trend direction. Use a 10 or 20 period MA to identify the current trend and combine them with a 50 or 200 MA to confirm it. Now, Bollinger Bands help detect breakout points. When the price moves closer to the upper or lower band, that may be another sign of a price reversal. Finally, MACD. Use it to identify trend changes and momentum strength. For example, when the signal line crosses the MACD line from above to below, that may be a good moment to sell. Otherwise, when the signal line crosses the MACD line from below upwards, that might be a good moment to buy. By the way, tell us in the comments what are your favorite indicators. Alright, enough of indicators. How about pending orders? You can preset the time or price level you want to open a position and the app automatically opens the trade while you play your favorite Candy Crush. Now, get a bit creative, work with the charts. For example, draw trend lines to identify key support and resistance zones. Also, put horizontal lines at the key price levels where the price used to bounce back from. All these things will help facilitate your analysis and make it more precise. By the way, do you keep a trading journal? Now, Olymptrade's trading analytics show you your track record. But do you keep record on the reasoning behind your trading decisions and write down lessons from their outcomes? If you don't do that, that will really accelerate your learning curve. Now, another tip. Just a second.
Bro!
Yeah, I'm coming. Right. So I guess that's it for today. I hope this helps take your trading to the next level. By the way, watch this video. Super useful. Bye!